There's a certain satisfaction that comes with tackling home repairs yourself. It's empowering to know you can fix things around your own house. Plus, DIY projects can save you money. We all like that. But when it comes to structural repairs, you need to think twice before grabbing your toolbox. We all love a good before and after photo. Seeing a cracked foundation magically repaired or a sagging roof made straight again is impressive. These images make DIY seem easy. But don't let them fool you. Structural repairs are a different beast altogether. These projects often involve intricate work. They require a deep understanding of building codes and load-bearing elements. What you don't see in those glossy photos are the potential risks lurking beneath the surface. Remember, your home is your biggest investment. It's also where your family feels safest. Don't gamble with their well-being. Before you start tearing down walls or jacking up foundations, take a moment to understand the potential dangers of DIY structural repairs. Many homeowners think they can handle any repair with a little elbow grease and a YouTube tutorial. Let's be clear, I admire that can-do spirit. But some repairs are best left to the pros. Let's look at some common structural repairs homeowners often attempt. Cracks in your foundation, sticking doors, and uneven floors are all signs of potential foundation problems. These issues can be caused by a variety of factors, from poor drainage to soil expansion and contraction. A leaky roof is a major headache. Many homeowners attempt to fix these leaks themselves, but roof repairs often involve working at heights and navigating complex roofing systems. Cracks in your walls can be more than just cosmetic issues. They could indicate serious structural problems, especially if they're located on load-bearing walls. Squeaky or uneven floors can be annoying, but they can also be a sign of structural damage to floor joists or subfloors. While these repairs might seem straightforward, they can quickly turn into a nightmare without the proper knowledge and expertise. DIY structural repairs might seem like a budget-friendly option, but they come with hidden costs that can far outweigh any initial savings. The truth is, botched DIY jobs often lead to more expensive repairs down the line. One major risk is misdiagnosis. Many homeowners mistake symptoms for the actual problem. For instance, a crack in your basement wall might seem like a simple foundation issue, but it could be a sign of a much larger problem, like a failing retaining wall or improper grading. Using the wrong materials or techniques can also compromise the structural integrity of your home. Imagine using the wrong type of concrete for your foundation repair or installing roof shingles incorrectly. This can lead to leaks, instability, and even collapse. And let's not forget about safety. Structural repairs often involve working in hazardous conditions, like at heights or with heavy materials. Without proper training and safety gear, you're putting yourself at risk of serious injury. When to call in the pros your safety net. Knowing when to call a professional is crucial when it comes to structural repairs. Remember, your home's safety and stability are non-negotiable. If you're dealing with any of the following, it's time to bring in the experts. Foundation problems. Large cracks, significant settling or heaving, and walls separating from the house all require immediate professional attention. Load-bearing wall issues. Any signs of stress on load-bearing walls, such as cracks, bowing, or sagging, should be addressed by a structural engineer. Major roof damage. If your roof has sustained significant damage from a storm or other event, don't attempt to repair it yourself. Complex structural issues. When in doubt, call a pro. It's always better to err on the side of caution when it comes to your home's structural integrity. Remember, a qualified contractor or structural engineer has the knowledge, experience, and tools to assess the situation accurately and provide a safe and effective solution. Essential safety tips for the bold DIYer. For those smaller structural repairs you decide to tackle yourself, safety should always be your top priority. Here are a few tips to keep you safe. Gear up. Always wear appropriate safety gear, including gloves, safety glasses, a dust mask, and a hard hat. Clear the area. Keep your work area clean and free of clutter to prevent trips and falls. Use the right tools. Invest in quality tools and learn how to use them properly. Lift with your legs. When lifting heavy objects, always lift with your legs, not your back. Know your limits. Don't be afraid to ask for help if you're unsure about something or if a task feels beyond your capabilities. Remember, your health and safety are paramount. Don't take unnecessary risks. DIY done right. A recipe for success. DIY projects can be incredibly rewarding, even when it comes to home repairs. The key is to approach them with a healthy dose of caution, respect for your home's structure, and a commitment to safety. Before you start swinging a hammer, take the time to thoroughly research the project. Understand the scope of the work, the materials needed, and the potential risks involved. Most importantly, know your limits. If you encounter a problem that seems beyond your expertise, don't hesitate to call in a professional. It's better to be safe than sorry. Remember, DIY doesn't mean going it alone. It means taking pride in your home and empowering yourself to tackle projects within your skill set. And when you need a helping hand, don't hesitate to reach out to the pros. After all, we're all in this together.